What's going on, YouTube? It's Sunday. We're really tired, but we're all heading to the drift event. You ready?
Oh yeah, bud.
Oh yeah, bud. Oh fuck me, bud.
Oh yeah, oh fuck me.
Yeah, we're all running on 3 hours of sleep. We feel great. You know, at Chick-fil-A to get our food on a Sunday. You know, makes sense.
Routine.
Daily routine. We're just waiting for everyone else to pull up and we'll figure out where we go from there. So, we still haven't made it yet. We're not even out of our own city yet.
Hey, Shelby truck.
Shelby truck? Hey. And Jimmy got a flat tire on his Miata. We're sitting on the side of the highway and I guess we gotta help him now. Oh yeah, bud, what's going on here? Oh fuck yeah, bud.
Who gets hit first? Like jump out.
Troqueando, me la paso con mis compas cotorreando, rolando, me navego muy a gusto en mi troca por las calles patrullando, controlando.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We're at the drift event finally.
Taylor just was doing this.
I know. Yeah, I was pretty fucking. I'm like,
What are we doing?
I'm sitting there trying to sleep, and then it's like shaking. I'm like,
we're getting ready
okay,
to unload the car.
I'm gonna wake up now.
You gonna wake up now?
Yeah. It gets really heavy once it gets to the. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Backyard performance, baby.
I would expect the tires to fall. He's good.
We're good.
So we're over here in the skid pad. Yeah. I'm standing next to a Mustang.
Oh, fuck off.
They're mad because they're Ford guys, but anyway, Jacob is back there and he's about to whip it on the skid pad really quick, get some practice in. Stay tuned. What are we about to go do? Hit the skid pad?
No, we're gonna go home.
Yeah, we're gonna go home. This shit's whack.
Y'all going on the skid pad?
This shit's whack as
I can go warm up my tires in the back.
So we come up with the idea of 2 valve swapping the Z, and I think we're gonna do it. Not too sure yet, but we're gonna go have a little fun with this. New set of tires, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Suppose.
Sup, bitches.